Hey, yo, I know I said I had a special announcement. Well, here it is. The Locksmith Elevated Tour is coming to a city near you. I haven't done a headlining tour in years. I can't wait to get back on the road and see all you guys. Yo, I'm so excited. I got my homies with me, Jay Lately, Leon the God, Nomadic and Buddy Wireless with DJ Elzo and Activate BPM. We're hitting all these cities up: Los Angeles, Las Vegas, Tucson, Albuquerque, Gallup, New Mexico, Salt Lake City, Denver, Colorado, Greeley, Colorado Springs, Seattle, Portland, Bend, and Reno, Nevada. So make sure you get your tickets right now at IamLock.com. Locksmith, the Elevated Tour, coming to a city near you. Let's get it. Yeet! Get caught with a black thought and they strangle you by your roots. They dangle this by a noose. If you knew better than you measure misinformation.